Hi, and welcome to 3916 Riviera Drive, Unit 504, located directly on beautiful Sail Bay, San Diego. This legacy property has been in the same family for over 50 years, and it is the only remaining unit in the complex that has never been sold since it was built new in 1974. This stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single-level unit features a completely remodeled kitchen with high-end Vetrazzo Emerald Coast counters and a waterfall edge that are made from over 250 pounds of recycled glass. The handcrafted cabinets have soft close drawers, and there's tons of storage, a teal backsplash, and unique under-cabinet lighting in multiple colors. The current owner has lovingly updated every bit of this property with quality and thoughtful decisions. Custom lighting, tons of storage, remodeled bathrooms, private laundry, Coretec Plus enhanced oak floors, and cool shadow box walls that no other units in the complex have. Walls of windows, a 100-square-foot bay view deck, and sun-drenched rooms remind you every day how lucky you are to live here. Unit 504 has an expansive southwest view of Sail Bay from the balcony, as well as the floor-to-ceiling windows in the living room and the primary bedroom. This orientation affords gorgeous afternoon light and dynamic sunsets. Palm trees, sand, night lights, and the bay are everywhere you look. Riviera Shores is a 48-unit secure complex right on Sail Bay. It is one of the only waterfront complexes along the boardwalk that has a private grassy yard. It is an ADA-compliant building with 2 elevators, and it is VA approved, which is very uncommon for the area. There is a sparkling pool, a spa, secured underground parking, a barbecue area, and direct beach access. The Sail Bay Boardwalk is quieter than the oceanfront side. It has sandy beaches, water sports, Faneuil Street Park, easy access to the ocean, and favorite Pacific Beach restaurants and nightlife. In short, this home is special. Take this opportunity to live your very best life, because this chance may not come again. Call me today to make this dream your reality.